These devices have a feature called talk group scanning, which allow you to receive and respond to transmissions or calls on channels that you're not currently turned to. So for example, we can see on this device here, I am currently on the district office channel. If I look at another device here, which is on the emergency channel. Now with this talk group scanning on, since I have this built-in prioritization to receive emergency calls on this device, you'll see if a call is placed, it switches me over. So whereas it said district office before, it switched me over to the emergency channel, and I can respond to any calls that are made. Now once that call ends, you'll notice it kicks me back over to the channel I'm turned to, which is in this case the district office. There is a way to turn this feature off if you need to. That would be done through the options tab here. So if we go to options, we would scroll down to this option right here, turn scanning off, and you'll notice on the screen this icon, which had been white previously, looks like a lightning bolt, is now transparent. It's telling me that talk group scanning is now off. And if I try to do the same thing, one on district office, the other on the emergency channel, if I go to place that call, with that talk group scanning off, I'm not receiving that call. So this is a very, very useful feature. Let's say you wanted to monitor the emergency channel that we have programmed into all of our devices. You wouldn't have to constantly be changing channels on the top there. So this will vary from device to device in terms of what channels are prioritized. It also varies depending on job classification. But that is how you use and turn off and on the talk group scanning feature on these devices.